So different properties that you need to know for solving inequalities. It's basically whatever you're doing to solve for x. You just put that property of equality at the end of it. Of course, there's always the distributive property. So for instance, up here, we have to use the distributive property. First, they have the given, then we're going to use, oh, they divided first. Sweet. So because they divided, you're going to pick the one that says division property of equality. So you just take the word, like whatever you did, and write down that property. And then they simplified. So simplified usually always comes next. Then you have to subtract two. So just put property of equality after the word subtract. So subtraction, property of equality, and then simplify. And so you would put those steps in. This is super awesome. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. I like that they give us all the steps so we don't have to actually do it. So this is the given equation. Notice what they're doing here. They're timesing both by 5. So what you're doing is you're looking at what changed between the given equation and the next one. And they multiplied. So just find the one that says multiply. There it is, multiplication property. Then when there's nothing, like they just took away, like they simplified it. I don't know how to say that, except it's just simplifying it. So we'll just put simplifying. Usually after the property, we simplify. Then you can see that they're adding 4 to both sides. So we pick the addition one and then the simplify, and we're done. So if you're going to use a property, the one that comes after it should be simplify, because usually that's what we do. Okay, so they give this, and then you notice they're dividing. So you have to kind of see what the difference is. So this is the division one. Then we simplify, of course, that comes after. Then it looks like they're subtracting 2 from both sides, so subtraction, and then of course we're going to simplify. And that's the end of the lesson.